uranga winabau. Imbega igwa ilango ambu baka uranga ilalanga besi. Naondra igo mbega ngoni uranga tida kau. Uranga isokula ibu ni banua ko tahun robe. Sabaka uranga mbega beru ngai na ulu ni belu agi ni mani u. Wale lebu mbega imbola ngane. Itau ma lebu naondra igo mbega ngoni uranga imadua. Dragi ambu igo mbega ndala ni banua ko mburu ni u. Na roa rembega ni singa ni gua. Arabe baka alai igo mbega maya igo baka uranga medakau ni ambua. Eranda mbega igo uranga be adina uranga mbuli legu u. Era uranga mbuli na baka singa. Igo mbega nda humia we so bo ni bono kondama. Imala be mbega na kaimia serau endo masarau. Masarau medakau ni ambua. Ake mia ngalobi baka uranga. Nangauna nuso agina uranga be adini. Ceko pega iso. Ninrubai mama ragi ni sau endo ngauna ni renre. Do ngauna ni mbu o. Do ngauna ni vela ragi do ngauna ni aluma. Tabu ai bala ambu. Raida na matamuni sabakau raida na matani kalau. Sakau tamai beke mami labagade. Ami ya gamba maya uranga lilu ni mani u. Na roro rambega ni gua. Ena be kani baka bubale kena mani ule mbega Australia. Saka mbega mai na muno umbur ni u. Kena manua be kani. Abagademu. Pinamale besara lore. Pinakambaka baka lebu elondina ni bena numi. Ayalo lolo mambeka baka uranga. Asera uni bigo mbeka gina igo ni beli bagi ni onda mani u. Aroni besi mai igo gina kena mani u lebu Australia. Mentonto mbeka igo mai gina linga. Etabu mbeka igo mai gina yaba. Nakena mai araida ke baka bukan agi. Abe baka uradeke agi nandala ni banu. Ay galong-galobi baka uranga laylay. Yalo rendo ngai baka lebu-lebu ya. Nagay mai ibagin na uranga kita kau ni ambua. Masin ni manua kay muro ni u. Masin ni manua ko na bakasinga. Yamba naginirang baka igo. Aposo ni taba mega yamba. Galong-galobi baka uranga. Saray tono ginaman ni u. Asosoratu.
Sergio main nandelnya udara baturanga. Burnitu. Turanga burle utu. Inabuni buno baturanga kau tambua. Anon recucu angon turanga timbu. Sahabat turanga taicu ina ilalau matentu adol main ua. Imami abin terabin bosiaro. Sahabat turang taicu ina matani matentu lebu Australia. Enai kumisna. Enabu ni dondolingan ni bebu Mai bawa tai na orduli. Ni bono baturang gue bu. Tapi tu lah apa isawat. Tarongan isa. Wada ni sar wada. Na orduli go. Doa taruh. Doa lewni. Tamatani alo radera di bundal di bunongo. Orlai bingkaran. Debe saya biti. Debe saya berburu. Apa yang lambat inatang. Inda ke reira. Abibu ela o mai. Ke reira. Abu nuanga doa abura yan ina. Ala ise. Abua ni dada ngarra bakas. Nambasi atal mai. Mai bawa taital ina nom do orlu. Do uni alle lai. Ava wina. Dingo me amuna ngala me tilo malangi. Wa longa te jo bonua. Tamanda sate desa. De jo wa turanga. Rabuli ba wina sar jongo ni mertama tenganga na bising ni mata a. No dai liu wata kari to mana. Ei, gena.
Mai luachi oto na wani batu ni banua. Ena waro ro'o. Ro'o oto na loma ni banua. Mena venga na sasi bise obi oto nga na singa di bua. Mai luachi oto na batu ni banua na matalele ni ua. Ena linga ni banua. Ilalanga besi ngoni turanga ratu i au ai so ula. Ai bubu ni banua tondro. Ena lomene non banua. Ina ngoro barua. Ngoni turanga ratu atu batu. Ai rongo ni banua. Sa digo mitala otonga na linga ni matentu. Ira linga ni bingarabi ni nomuni matentu. Ene bitambana do sara. Era dolata. Era reeta. Na indre ene ibua. Ibi aiso etu ndele ni banua. Mo do na ina ne bi aso do sara tu. Bebada ngangandre oto. Ngangandre bele na banua ne banua so. Ene be sabiti. Rasa ti bole linga di bingarabi. Ene mata lele di kwa. Sarongo ti oto linga ni ene di gomne ego. Yau ni banua. Lau ni tombua. Wana turanga ti bua. Ira masini banua. Era dondola taboli, andre etaboli. Rogo ni banua, ni ngono sa shibi ua, ene ngono sanga. Arome ndo ai. Ni sengni daira. E dola tu tunga ni ngauna, andre etaboli ngani ngauna. Mai baba tu anta yo tena singa ni ua. Rogo tena na tabosa. Ene singa lemgo. Ene yau ni galgalo. Mande tai chonga ne bengono sa tu. Mende mande teni anda tio ne bengono sa oto. Ena majingo mito na yongo ene singale mun ua. Mende tunde. Oni abulati ne bengono ndre so tu. Be ba na rongo ene digo mena. Na yau ni manua ne singale mun ua. So me sereto na wani amunango ene ngono. O salabata ina na wani batu ni manua. Ai bande ni no bula vai to vai ti o. To bande tena turanga ena marama era sauni manua samanda ya ena bulgo enda na bande tena tioni uan me ngono satu wasa ya bunde ya bunan rendre me na ya balati ya talanga rendre me na talarai beta ya balu seuni ya bu bata bata me baba tuan tai to ena matalale ni ua na ya bu ya ena matalale ngo sa ale bu ba mina ro obendo ai me ba turanga tai. Ndai tunga ne bengono sa simini ua, ene bengono sambera, Rani na bulu ina na banua. Ene bi aso itu na dala na banua. Be ba na tabi da jibi ina mai buan alo. Men da marro e ba marangeta. Ene be ngau ni satu mata. O sala bete lo malangi. Yau ni banua ngau be so mutia be ba lo mata ni alo. Alo mata tia dala ni banua. Alo mata tia ina be ngarabi. Alo mata tia linga ni ngarabi tabi ni. Tapata sabangani be ngarabi. Oto na dala ni banua me buai. Me tumu da ina bi abina bi adina na todo soswa. Me robi ina alone be ngoni sa otil matanda. Rai bina chia singa nuwa. Rai na chia be singa ni mata. De belo mani si ovalio. Au tane mate, au tane da. De be batura matai chio. De yo tira lingata na luani rando manua mana. Hey dina, amudo. Yo. Bina.
Mami ang babarang beka. Orang beka yung na tanong iko ba orang. Iko ay lalang abis. Asyokula. Ano orang abis ako. O ba tilong beka na iko ba orang sa may bila ako na siya liburin ko. Inang korbarwa. Ano orang ratu. Ina ba? Orang ambil berorang na maniu, ay mantan ni beli ni pengkarabi na mantan maniu, kabarung itu kinalawan tuh kinalawas bersama. Orang ambil berorang na, ono SMA bekan ni re kina maniu Australia, antam pe orang Australian High Commissioner. Rumah mereka kena be dalnya ambu bawa orang ayat pembalik itu. Pina balik buat tamai soal apa balik bawa kan. Sabung karabin mereka karang bawa nu. Bersama bawa sembuh mereka nan rantel ni sesomangun orang ambul itu. Besang kalau biu mereka. Mangkan nintai kalau kampala bumai penon dilada. Mangkan ilas aku sobi kumai waswasa ulah. Sibukan di mana maliwala, era nilu mika miawa kasebi miawa uwa, kasiosion beka apa miawa si miawa isulu, kesampu orang nanti panwa, wani orang ambulu, panwa mianggo rentau kama wani panwa singa, kesanti pani samai wasilumi una katibulan, emang kakak ukina, resangu akan marama, aranu membain doan pelni lanrua, yang mai pa mama lagi. Ni agin na remo ni agi iko na vingomi sa on resa sanga iko may bakan to ba ina siya ni kuana bu ni mi iko na kinasongo na mi ubo ina boli madina may lomani oso se mali olala me ko nimbo ka dina ay nang karabi ukabuli me ubo ki ukabuli bala nga na kay na palusihi bigi arani amaanga ni bisima ayaw lalay sa ko sa baka mamatay sa orang amen nan re ko ngoni orang ambuli ko Inakena pekan di panua, non ego ngoni orang ambul pasing. Opan antagu ira ego, opan antagu ego kalingan di wau, kalingan di pengkerabi. Posin sa mega inabi. Ayamba, niya ni mama mata, sarento ni na malay sa mata ko ego, sa sora ko. Yeah.
Vingo bichi onero ngoni bonua. bukono baturanga ida uni tambua. Ena me masih tambu baturanga. Kata mo pala tibole na singali pun po. Ay rongo ni yau. Ay rongo ni me baturanga tai. Ay rongo ni me ba menei. Rento me ba menei ina banua. Anra. Na bubale. Amai baba tu ana taito ana singali busu. Ai rongo ni banua. Sa sampai atu ina banua ila langa besi. Mani tu rara tu ida awa sa ula bubu ni banua ta onro. Ena lama ni non rabanua. Ena barua. Mani tu rara tu atu ina mati. Sampai atu ina mati ni tu be ane rua. Obiti mati Australia. Irali ngani binga rabi na mati ni tu. Izamo telebu tu rara tu ima dawata ito e mula tangane. Turanga lilu ni bosiado. Awe abu ni turanga ni Prime Minister di nomu ni banua. Irali ngani nono binga rabi. Irali sinasi ma mati ni tu orsachi ora ora singali bulua. Alamechi atene rongo ni banua. Meronga da alo mula mai lo malang me reida me pandai tai. Ni siang ni tawira. Edolati mai manda, edolati ni uan, edolati ni bingau na sambera. Ena mara rendi manua ni tomo na eni bala. Wasulumi ena ina nonda ngase. Ena wasulumi ena tungana eni bala na eni tomo. Ya sama ngarusu e bulu. Alonga tio jale ni manua. Alonga tio ena bingarabi. Kalau mata-mata tio ni singanua ni besira sa ter matanda. Kalau bale na ganga, kalau bale na ngalala. Wade te tio na ditomo eni bala. De ate na linga dalawa na manua. Ramna tumna ngasama ni singanua mana. Hey, Dina, amdo. Go. Sudah.
Oi mami yang kampambeka. Wa orang bekai uina gudel bono orang iwi lalang habis. Ai sukula. Del bono orang iwi wali kondo. Wa orang bekai berungai nang koro-koro. Ino miau del bono beka orang. Angon uranga wina pa. Ina ilulun baka ni mani na onta ko nobi. Imbolak ngane. Ina on rai igo angon uranga imadwa. Sa mga pinapinaka ipakaliwas singa di gua ni raw di sulia uwa kalau wakinan ragi. Rungu uwa pura-pura sandu sia igua. Akai pangaraw wakin ako kaya mangkani karorao. Ikapa kalau uwa ka uwa. Bikin ebang din agi nang kabola ko choni nang kena se ulo ikine ulu sa senga ni dona kasa sa kami senga ni takaboko. Kena bambale ka auto ko la kai go narukundo na manisinga ya fo igwa narukundo na lewa ke no le bo ko. Tersanta bembe kai go ngone uranga bulle hu. Kena be okani uranga apa panua er sanduri. Samaro okina bole bu singa ni bua. Ni zambe ke na manisinga ngau na bo. Sa po kapina kai bole bu dia zo na pe ka tibi ke no na pe pagaru ake uranga. Kantina ki na po se ka ko waise ka ko ke ya. Nangau na sa mategi na ko saya tui sangai basiga sangai yago mai au na isera lebu mbega rang mai ao na tel bunu na bunu ko bi ya apa Pilipina kan zambe ngau na po ko bi ko gino na pe para wa ke urana sangai yago gino na uba gino na lewa me zambe mai pe kia mugia seraba la ta ngale mangani haroro Sandua ka marau murni u na mar singa ni bua. Era buni be kala lebu ko meu sa la huina ngone urang. Kena be ka sama di brawa na telepono ba urang na igino ko lagu. Sa ka lebu apa ka Pilipina. Ke lebu ka ko maminam binia ke lebu ka ko maminam biwa ke mo miau di ba mo meu saraba. Mangani au ba ka bo ro ogina kalu. Sa ka lebu marau ngena ba ka Pilipina. Sampai lagawi berunga, hai baka sombu. Sa lagawi yang galong kalobi kana kana baka mamata. Sandu awale ko ambana bobo sangka bai ko mambiao.
Na balew.
Sa kala ile sare.
Lebu.
Sebu imbe kayo gine law ba urang apa panua. Ko mani. Na lo mani singa ni wana kana ro kopi na kana to kaya kalo. Maka ni karoro bigi mami mai ko kai. Mami saraba wa lo ma lebu me sa baka dora. Yang nandau indi bingai ala no una lo mani pe ambanga una kana pe ambang. Kalebu sa ka babi akalu ko. O mai pananda ko mbala ko gina ko ka uranga. Imburni u non rai ko ngone uranga bulle ko. Kena ko ka uranga ko na saru non rai ko ngone uranga pimbu. Mai ko wai mamila ko sebo sa minta mai kana kai. Ni amba ningona ni sebo sa rai ndonu gina ko ngone uranga sa ba da bo gina. So sora tumbeka.
Yeah.
Bingo michi na buni ango na lebu. Ai da mun rau watu ranga. Ai da mun rau be maroi. Ai da mun rau talanga ni be labeti. Ni be batu ranga tai. Samai basa boy ato na ene ronga na matalele ni ua. Sanga bete na rongo. Ai rongo ni zamun rau ni manua. Na mata ni tuwe ene rua. Abiti mati Australia. Rali ngani bingo rabi ni nomuni mata ni tu. Arsa ti ana singale abuni ua. Mai banjina jina tai ne rongo ni siap bune singale bune ua. Da mai ti obul ngango no ngai tubu na lo. Kasibi ni bingo na sasibi. Saya lebih ai no donu me saya ni. Sa bobotu mai bi ai sa donu me bobotu mai na ngongo. E bandai teni anda bingo na satu. Ninda chonga ni dona buru sani nonda. E non c'è un anno. Sa sabu cerita ne rongo na manua. Ila nga besi mo tura rati da wa saula ibu ni manua don robe. Rambe atra lo na non manua na ngoro barua. Uranga Prime Minister ni nomuni banua. Ai rali mena no minga rabe na sa tuenda una na singale muni ua. Mai ba diri tenga ne rongo sa mai ba sa moi tani singale mo. Ada tionga no nano buru-buru na lu. La beci ne rongo ba long bula. Ngai ba tu ana tena mana minga ne so sa tu. E ba dai teni anda ne minga ne sa auto. Zamane ando mai, zamane amulati anda. Se zamane auto tani bi anda. Ela tio bulanga no buru-buru na lu. So buti ana no ba lo ngata alo ta bala dala ni manua. Alo ta tio ana be rabi. Da lo ta tio ana singa ne ua. Da lo mo le nganga. Da lo mo le ngala. Vena mo tio roti ni Kristo. De o te le ngata na luani no ndo dua mana. Ai dina, amdo. Go.
Naam. Kurang
Emana endina sandina. Io. Bembe tu wa tion. Waktu orang baca ina vanua. Nanggor warua. Turang ratu. Turang atu ina wat. Waktu orang bercunga ina ulil beluta ini makan tu. Angka makan tu wit. Munturang Prime Minister. Membauta na ngauna rea era matan rende tua turanga ena marama emburen itu. Ena va aya simbati sertunga na ngauna ena maraule buat taraya vanu emburen itu.
Na wale.
Ba mbauta bironga ni alo watenyo aya saya dona ngauna ai. Tatebu miri va malu matani uda. Mandumu tuai varuru ni meu tantu maya dulu ni matantu. Ini sa mirau da, vai voltambu. Alo watainyo esa tio marau busa batura ombuntu, busa batura nga ona vasinga, daun tambu atau do marau na ngauna ai, ni meu tantu mai lili ni makentu. O meu sa mai kiloma o timbe awai emburentu. Ina bengarai baturang. Sa rebe bosoti, ni na bia nganga to awalai lai. Dua mangiti lai sarasa tile matangnya wai lili ni makentu. Asovalala alai sara. Eda umanga tunga maya mangiti ne abuso mburtu no nala liwa dagi lambo yasa me vai eda umanga tunga manga sara tunga nindua etui. Marau te ina nga vano waturanga erua. Ni meu saya do mai lilu matantu. Tandila watua ni meu beluta ni meu bengarani. Ni no anga vano lo manoviti. Tatu ena watu ai da uiman. Me marau te ina tu. Au saya ere meu sasua. Na. Kami ina rachen da ungu, bosa mai nai, gara-gara timangu ngone turanga. Iwase ni embora baturanga, sarendonu ini la baturanga. Aso soratumbe.
Yes.
Sa di gomi oto na irongo. Ai rongo ni bonua. Mai bare tai to na mangitilemu. Mai bala situ ina na bosa sata wuti. Ni sasena ai oto na lomo ni bonua. Angono talanga ai rongo mani sina di wai abi amida. Asenga di nganga, asenga di pau. Jadi ni tarong ambil bercanda apa? Aula tu mana singa di uwa? Au sa aci mai bango. Era di Yerusalem sa daro situ na lomo di puno. Asa mai sama ino jatu irau. O ta mai sala. Na lomo di puno leu. Ero que la mengo arusala bulinga mai tau ei. Ero sing ni sala. Ero la boleh mai tau I. E bata bona mi ai so ne ado ni sing ni ua. Ero la tuma mai tau E na lo mani bunu ero chini. Ai rongo ni mangiti maturanga. Ai rongo ni wasini angona. Adambe ata manua. Lala ngabe si mani turanga retu da o so ule bubu ni bunu dondo. Dambe ata la mani non rabanua. Inangor rabarua. Mani turanga ratu o tino. Dambe tala tonga na materi tu. Me ane rua sa tio na singale bunu. Materi tu Australia. Materi tu abiti na vende rabi, da uma telemu. Turanga tu madu ata ito e bola tangani. Turanga linde ni baseado. Turanga Prime Minister ni nomu ni manua. Era linde no vende rabi, era sa tio ni singalimbo. La beti o tene rongo ni mangiti. Wanda ni loa. Mena kai ba lemu tene mai ni ngona mina satu. Wanda tene tio be anda. Goa nona. Mura na tio ina ni ua. E nona na bi adonga. De otro na bi batura tai. Nganga bona ni mesina sa tio na matanda. De otro na lingata na lewa ni nota manua. Dava bina chipta kai tabi ni ngona sa tio na matanda mana. Ei, dina mangiti. Abudua. No. Bina.
The chief guest, the Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome the Australian High Commissioner, His Excellency Ewan MacDonald, for his address.
Prime Minister, Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Ministers, Minister for Education, Minister for Employment, Assistant Minister for Finance, Permanent Secretary for Education, sorry I'm upsetting it, Commissioner, Northern Region here, Division here, Vanua, Village Leadership, Heads of Schools and School Management Committees, our outstanding Australian High Commission staff that are here, Nina and Erin, members of the media, parents, teachers and students, ladies and gentlemen. Bore, namaste, and good morning. It's a great honour to be here, and I just wanted to say what a privilege it is for me to visit your school here today with the Honourable Prime Minister and the ministers from the Fiji government. It's the second time that I've visited here recently, and I'm struck by the warmth of the Fijian spirit over here and the traditional welcome, the savu savu we just experienced. Although I didn't understand everything in the communication, I could feel the warmth, I could feel the welcome, and I was enjoying the laughter and spirit of that traditional welcome. And you know this already, but I get to experience kava all over the region. And of course, the Fijian kava is by far the best, but please don't tell anyone else in the region. I also know this island, Honourable Prime Minister, is your island, your home island, and I also think the Employment Minister and the Assistant Minister from Finance. So it's great to have you back in your home island on such an exciting day. And why is it so exciting? I wanted to firstly compliment the garlands that we're wearing. These are distinctive and beautiful. So I wanted to really thank all of you involved in making these beautiful garlands. But it's also exciting because the Fiji Sevens gave the USA a good thrashing this morning, I think is the way I'd put it. I think 38-12, I think you just gave them a couple of points at the end there to make the US feel a bit better. But what a great start to the Olympics for the Fiji Sevens. So that made it pretty exciting for me. And I also wanted to say how exciting it is for me to be here today at this school with this community. And you've waited patiently for this day. And while I'm an Australian High Commissioner at the moment, I'm a dad in Australia, and I know through the many days I've spent at the schools with my children, my daughter Rachel and son Brett, I know how important education was to their success, and for many of us, education is the key that opens the doors for the future. So for you, I really am pleased that we're able to help, because the houses, the boarding facility here for students from the surrounding islands is extremely important to that education and opportunity for those living in remote village or remote maritime villages. 3.5 years is a long time to be without your boarding houses. I want to commend you for your perseverance and patience, and as our dedicated team of contractors who work to rebuild all that you lost during Tropical Cyclone Yasa. And building these houses here, we use locally sourced material, and many of you know it was locally sourced people who built those houses. And for me personally, that's extremely important for Australia, that we are supporting and building back better with locally sourced materials and local people. It's something you can see and you're quite rightly proud of. People often hear me speak about the renewed and elevated Vivale partnership, and I certainly heard that in the welcome. Vivale referred to earlier, and it's a family agreement between us, and it was a great pleasure for me to be in Australia when the Honourable Prime Minister on a state visit to Australia last year signed our elevated and renewed Vivale partnership. It's a partnership built on mutual trust, respect and a deep commitment to working together to ensure a peaceful and prosperous region. Or as the Prime Minister would say, a notion of peace, which the Prime Minister is leading not only here in the region, but throughout the globe in the many interactions he has with leaders across the world. But more importantly for me, it commits us to action. We are partnering to improve the lives of Fijians in areas such as healthcare, education, equality and social inclusion. We're achieving a lot together. This month will mark the completion of all 9 schools, the $57 million Fijian Cyclone Recovery Program. And that's a great achievement. We have followed through on what we said we'd do, and those 9 schools are built, and they're built to withstand a Category 5 cyclone in the future. Access, as I said, to quality education is crucial, and we all deserve that opportunity to be educated no matter where we come from. And Australia recognises the immense benefit of investing in quality education to secure a brighter future. Earlier this month, the Honourable Education Minister and I formally launched our Fiji Social Infrastructure Program, and this program will build on the lessons we've learnt reconstructing schools right here today. It will continue to deliver quality, climate resilient schools and health infrastructure in the initial focus of the Suva-Nassori corridor. But our support for quality infrastructure doesn't end with education. Over the coming weeks, we'll announce the company who will lead our efforts to deliver an infrastructure master plan for the Colonial War Memorial Hospital. We know all Fijians need a high-quality national hospital. This is a big piece of work. It won't be delivered overnight, but it's a critical first step in planning out what a new hospital in Fiji looks like. A hospital that will ensure Fijians can access high-quality health care in the future, and I know this is a priority for the Prime Minister and for the Fijian government. So today marks yet another significant milestone in our relationship. I'm deeply honoured to be here for the inauguration of your new school facilities. Let's build a future where every child in Fiji has access to quality education and where schools are not just buildings, but thriving hubs of learning and growth. A place for our school community, and you look at this school community now, the people, the colour, the enjoyment, that's what a school community is about. It's bringing people together, and we're all proud to be here today. To the teachers and staff, I thank you. You're a great example. You're setting the next generation of Fijians forward as leaders in the future. And I can't thank you enough for what you do each day. And I hope these new school facilities provide you with a conducive teaching environments. And to the students here, please look after your new buildings. Continue to work hard. And Vanaka, Vakalevu, for making today such an enjoyable event. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now welcome Mr. Hemant Kumar to briefly introduce our chief guest.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to welcome you to this event celebrating the commissioning of facilities supported by the Australian government. It is with great pleasure that we welcome the esteemed Prime Minister of Fiji, Honourable Sitiveni Rabuka, a man of remarkable achievements and unwavering dedication to service. His illustrious career spanning both military and political spheres reflects his commitment to security and prosperity of our nation. From his roots in the village of Drakiniwai to his leadership roles in the military and government, Honourable Rabuka's journey embodies a deep sense of duty and excellence. As we come together to mark this significant milestone, let us reflect on the collaborative spirit and shared vision that drives progress in our nation. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to the Honourable Prime Minister of Fiji, Sitiveni Rabuka. Thank you.
Sa mulu na Kia wano turanga I buritu turanga Lekutu. Ito talanga wano turanga I nabasinga bul nabasinga. Atia sa sobo ni bunwa na ito turanga na turanga buldama. Sama iso ito ni na songo marau tai. Ni Bobby Mina. Au na positivo valai. Eu maro valevo. rola mai watei mai walwawani a matau buno bul mai ua le suja mai apa nuara waitabi na tumbu irau au lo tu ni matai ngauna me mur mai mai tomagulebu mai tale mai mbiu oto ina rana dono na dala ani na vida mai sawa jili tal boli mai nanronga ave to telebu etuate marote ina rawa la mai sini wa na wale wa bengara baturang. The Honorable Minister for Education, Honorable Achere Ndondo, the Honorable Minister for Labor, and all the other things that go with it. One of your local boys. Commissioner Northern in your staff. Turang Lekutu, Your Excellency, High Commissioner for Australia, and everywhere else I've been. So everywhere I've been, the High Commissioner, Ewan McDonald, has been. I think he's spying on me. We were in Japan last year and last week, and I introduced him as the High Commissioner at Large for Australia. Principals and teachers and students of Lekutu District and Lekutu Secondary School. Representatives from the Government of Australia, distinguished guests, faith-based leaders in nearby communities, Vanua village and Tikena leaders, nearby villages, parents, students, and teachers, and community members. Nisambul benak. Nisambul re. When I'm introduced as the Prime Minister of Fiji, many do not realize that I started my education in Vanuatu. District school, intermediate school at Budalevu, which was then the provincial school Northern, for the Robinbu and Mavata. I attended that school with some distinguished young men and men of Mbua. Some are no longer with us, but we pay our respects to them and the traditional lay leaders of the land we stand on. And I'd like to encourage the upcoming young leaders of today. You can also be doing this in 20 or 30 years' time. The island is not a limit. I'm honored to be here for this official commissioning and handover of the new facilities at Lekutu District and Lekutu Secondary Schools. I'm glad I'm back here. It's my privilege to be here to celebrate this milestone with you. And we together extend our most sincere appreciation to the Australian government, represented here by High Commissioner Ewan McDonald. We thank them for their ongoing commitment to friendship on a bilateral level with Fiji, on a regional level with the Pacific, and a global level, where they play a very important role in the international community of today. We pay our respects to the government and the people of Australia. The bilateral partnership between Fiji and Australia extends to development and education assistance, and today we see the fruits of this collaboration. Since its inception in 1978, Lekutu Secondary School has been pivotal in providing quality education to students from the Tikina Lekutu and Noakasinga, including villages and maritime communities. And today we celebrate the opening of the new infrastructure that marks a new chapter in that history, enhancing the learning environment for your children. Ladies and gentlemen, the impact of climate change is felt worldwide with increasing numbers and intensity of natural disasters. We are here rebuilding after the destruction of such disasters in the past. The building of these new facilities at Lekutu District and Lekutu Secondary Schools, valued at a combined total of about 11.3 million Fiji dollars, has been made possible through Australia's Tropical Cyclone Yasa and Ana recovery program. I'm glad that a group of friends of mine from all over the world, members of a prayer group that used to meet every year in Washington and Australia and Wellington, New Zealand, heard my call for assistance or help and contributed some money, which was given to the Women's League of the Catholic Church in Fiji. Some of them came here immediately after the cyclones to distribute some help. Part of that money also went to the rebuilding of the Tautalangasi's home, Tautalangasi in Bua. I'm glad I've had personally a hand in the rehabilitation after the cyclones. But this project will benefit a total of 218 students, 20 teachers at Lekutu Secondary, and 179 students and 8 teachers at Lekutu District School. They include dormitories, dining halls, teachers' quarters, and more. And we will provide a modern and conducive environment for teaching and learning. The construction of these new facilities began in July of 2021 and was completed this month of July 2024. And we thank all those involved in the building. We thank the funders. We thank the communities who assisted during the building of these facilities. The 3-year project is a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved. And we thank you, and we pray that God will continue to bless you with the spirit of commitment and dedication to whatever you're called to do. The school management of Lekutu District School has shown remarkable resilience and dedication in their efforts to rebuild. Their partnership with donors and unwavering commitment is a testament to the value placed on education for the children of Lekutu. Wina wale bukimne na turang ken marama. Nini token korbuli. Na lomani puno turang Lekutu. kena bono baturanga na basinga na wale bono no mundo we tawling tawata na non rangarabi na mai da ka na kan tartale na kodungo. We also extend our heartfelt appreciation to Pacific Building Solutions, the contractor for both Lekutu District and Lekutu Secondary Schools, for their assistance in the completion of this project. The combined efforts of all parties that were involved have brought us to this significant moment. The use of local resources also ensures that we continue to invest and grow our local communities. Education remains a priority for the government that I lead. We are committed to investing in our children's education to ensure that they have the tools that they will need to live successful lives. From these schools, who knows, might have some future ministers and even prime ministers sitting amongst us this morning. Our support extends to various initiatives, including the free education grants for year 1 to 13, transport assistance for families whose combined household income is 16,000 or less, and the 200 back-to-school support, which will be paid out before school resumes next year. The Ministry of Education continues to support access to inclusive education. We are committed to ensuring that no student is left behind and that every child has the opportunity to reach their full potential. That includes ensuring that no school levies any enrollment fee for their students. So teachers, please remember that. School management, please remember that. Circular number 86 has provided the details of the Ministry of Education's directive to all 4 divisional officers, 9 district officers, and heads of schools. And as we come together today to commission these new facilities, I urge everyone present here today to continue to work together in supporting holistic education for the future of the Vanua, of Lekutu, Nabagasinga, Mbua, and Fiji. Our collective commitment to education will not only benefit Lekutu, but also their son of Mbua, and, as I said, our beloved Fiji. It is a promise to our children and to all Fijians that education is our priority. Let us take ownership of the buildings, the classrooms, and effectively utilize them. These gifts from Australia, the Australian people, the Australian government, in our quest to support quality, inclusive education in Lekutu and in Mbua. With these words, I once again thank the Australian government and the people of Australia for supporting the education sector in Fiji. I now have much pleasure in officially commissioning and handing over the new school facilities to the school management committees of Lekutu District School and Lekutu Secondary School. Vinawalevu, thank you very much. May God continue to bless us all. Naka.
Ladies and gentlemen, back to the Vuvale Award. I humbly request the Honorable Prime Minister and His Excellency, the Australian High Commissioner, to please do the honors of presenting this award. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll just be upstanding and the students will come and receive the awards. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the awardees are as follows. Cecilia Merendani of Lekutu District School. Please put your hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Cecilia. John Leslie Dengwandrau of Lekutu District School. Let's put our hands together once again for John. Salanieta Taulima of Lekutu Secondary School. Ladies and gentlemen, Salanieta is also the head girl of Lekutu Secondary School. Anish Chal Prasad, again of Lekutu Secondary School. Ladies and gentlemen, Anish Chal is also the head boy of Lekutu Secondary School. Our last awardee, Ponipate Drakambula, again of Lekutu Secondary School. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister and His Excellency the Australian High Commissioner for presenting those awards. Ladies and gentlemen, please once again put your hands together as we welcome the Tikina of Lekutu traditional Meki.